Good morning, my loves. I know I look like a proper wreck right now, but I literally just now woke up and the morning was so beautiful. I thought, no, I need to grab my camera and I need to film. A bit later this morning we'll be going to James's grandma. We'll go to allotment and help her to move things around. So I will take you with me and I will show you how our day goes. I really feel like having a cup of coffee, but it is just so beautiful this morning. I don't even want to move out of my bed, but I have to because I need to get ready and I need to get babies ready, I need to get my boys ready, and we need to go to grandma's. Every time when I make my bed I have a little baby ruining everything I've done. But as long as she have fun, that's all that matters. So we are in my grandma's allotment and there's the tent behind me. So in this field before was grandma's pony, but he passed away a while ago. So now there's goats, and the lady who is in there, she said that in the tent there is a newborn baby goat that came this morning. So as I am not able to get closer, I saw his little feet and it was just so cute, honestly. But yeah, at least we have something to do here because James is going to like clear out the allotment because grandma is getting rid of it, and me as a magpie I am going to have a rhubarb plant from grandma's, and I will probably get a berry bush or two because she have a lot of like gooseberries here and raspberries, and if she's just leaving it all here, I don't mind to scavenge a little bit. So yeah, we'll sort the allotment out while men are working. Me and kids will just play around. No. What? No, we don't need them. Scavenger James talking, do you want any of these flowers digging up? But no, we don't need flowers, we just literally, we are here for some berry bushes. And rhubarb. Not a single moment on my own. Cat was like, can I get a rhubarb? So he's literally trying to get in there to get a rhubarb. Oh my god. The one thing I don't understand about my children, they eat rhubarbs just like that. They pull them out of the ground and they just eat them. They are sour. How can you eat rhubarb like that? I know that when I was younger, I was eating rhubarbs raw like that, but we were dipping them in sugar and then eating them so they are not as sour. Wow, just look at that.
Sweet.
Very sweet. Extremely sweet. Oh my god. They're crazy. I don't think we will be able to stay here for long because it's so warm today, and me being as forgetful as I am, I literally forgot to get a hat for anyone. So to not get a heat stroke or sunstroke, we will just go home soon. So we just came to grandma's because it's way too warm outside and nobody had hats and we were starting to run out of water. So I left the leftover water what we had with James and his dad. Yeah, they are still on the field, they are still doing things, and me, kids and grandma, we all came back home. But we kind of enjoyed this morning in allotment. It was really nice. We saw goats and everything was just so alive. There was so many bees and it was just lovely. So we're at home and we have planted one of the bushes we scavenged and we got some rhubarbs, and Belly's sleeping but Mealy is up. She's having so much fun.
You see what she's doing? Sticking her hand in it then. Where? You have to come here and watch it. Watch it. Just dip her hand in it a second.
Oh, she's now. We can't work out how to get the water out. But as nice as it looked, not all of my day consists of that. Most of my day consists of this. And this. And this. So it's nice to clean the house when the babies are sleeping, but I literally am sick and tired of cleaning the house already because I have to do it like 1,500 times per day. Well, I don't include in my videos, but if you want a clean house when you have 1-year-old babies at home, and let's not even talk about 8-year-olds. And as much as I don't like to admit, I don't know how I'm gonna put this house on the internet, but do you know what? It's just the truth. I'm having such an anxiety right now, but it's just what I do. My household goes through a lot of laundry, and sometimes I just wash for 2 or 3 days, and I hate putting away laundry. Sometimes it just stays in my room for good 2 to 4 days till I actually put it together. I put it in my bags, it's next to my bed, but I will actually show you because a lot of people don't believe me when I actually tell them that my house is not as clean as they think it is, and it's not as perfect as they think it is. So this is the 3 days worth of laundry on my bed, what I need to put away. Don't know even where to start, but I need to start with putting all that away. I need to sort out my bedroom, and I need to put on my blinds because I finally have got blinds, and I finally want to get rid of these horrible curtains I have because they are way too long, they are way too thick, and I don't like them. So blinds goes on today. Those are for my kids' room. And yeah, I will sort all that out today. So guys, when you think that your house might not be the most perfect or the cleanest or whatever, remember, internet is not real. I as well don't like to admit this, but I like to film on the days when my house is the cleanest, when my house is put together. But in this video, I just wanted to show that, you know, I'm a human too. I have exactly the same house as you do. I have the same dirty dishes, the same dirty laundry. I have the same dirty floors and the same dirty children to wash at the end of the day. So we are not as different as internet shows. So excuse my messy hair and all. I've been with children, I've been doing stuff around the house, I'm an absolute mess. But while I was in the kitchen, I wanted to show what I found in Aldi. So after I took kids to school this morning, I needed some metal scours. So I went there to find some, and I did. I actually found these tiny cute glass jars. I've been trying to find containers for my seeds because I use for my meals a lot of seeds and nuts. These little guys, and they were like $3.99 or something like that, and they're amazing. They're just these tiny little jars, and they come with spoons. They are just so cute. I know I'm quite sad, but I absolutely love small details like this in the kitchen. Alright, while I'm in the kitchen, I think I should get on with some cooking as well. So it's been a few days since we went to Grandma's allotment, and we did a little bit of scavenging, and I didn't want to film how everything looked straight away when we did it in backyard, what I will show you in a minute, because we weren't sure that the plants what we got from Grandma's will survive, as it's kind of funny time of the year to replant anything. We got some berry bushes and rhubarb. They all already had fruit and all, and we didn't know will they survive, but they did. We haven't finished with the backyard just yet. We will go back to allotment. We will get some blackcurrants and some gooseberries as well, but right now we have a few bushes of red currant, I think it is, and then we have some raspberries and rhubarb. It's really nice because backyard now looks a bit more alive. And by the way, we went to Asda as well and we got some seeds with basil, dill, spring onions, and the stuff what you can use in the kitchen basically. And we got some strawberries and we got a lemon tree as well, but we will buy extra bits and bobs to make backyard look nice. I will take you out and I will show you. Hello, Dolly. By the way, that noise is bin man. They are collecting bins today, but these are all pumpkins growing. That's a massive patch. I don't even know what to do with those. I somehow will have to spread them. But we got some strawberries, then there's herbs what we planted, and this is the rhubarb what we got from grandma, and these are the bushes, berry bushes, and then in the corner there's pumpkins again. But I honestly like how the backyard looks now. It's way more alive, and that, by the way, is food for birds. But yeah, I personally like how the backyard looks now, because I just think it looks so much more alive, so much more green. It's not like just this massive field of grass and nothing else. I was thinking about getting an apple tree, like a dwarf apple tree, and just to plant it where I have that small pumpkin patch in a corner, but we'll see. Because I want my backyard to be green, and just I want it to be a place where I can go out and relax, because I don't personally like to go in my backyard because it's just this green nothingness. There's nothing apart from space, I could say so. Yeah, there's enough space for kids to play, but there's no enjoyment of going outside because everything's so plain. And I should think about getting some garden furniture, because we did have a table with chairs, but I think it was in April when there was these really bad wind storms. Our table was pushed down by wind and it smashed because it was a glass table. So we need to get something new, probably like sofa and a small table or something like that. Alright guys, I think that's enough chit chat about my backyard. I will just show you when it's all finished, when we have new garden furniture and all the plants are planted, and when it actually does look nice, not a little bit odd like it is right now. But I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!